Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a modded Minecraft server. Let's get started. If you want a safer, faster option, with Apex you can set up Forge server in minute, get high-speed performance and 24/7 support. First, download the Minecraft Forge installer from the official site, then select Minecraft version, then click installer and wait a few seconds and hit skip to download. Make sure you have a Java and JDK installed so that you can run the file. Then right-click the installer, choose Java and click Install Client. Next, create a folder for your server on your desktop. Then open the installer again and click Install Server and select your new folder. Forge will download all server files for you. Now, copy your mods folder from your local Minecraft to your server folder. Client and server mods must be matched exactly. Then, to run your server, double-click and run .bat. It may fail the first time. This is normal. Then, open eula.txt, then change eula equals false to eula equals true. Then, save and run the server again, and once the console shows done, your server is live. On your client, open Minecraft with the Forge file, and go to multiplayer and click add server and type localhost and as the address. Then you'll spawn in your modded server. To invite friends, give them your IP and port forward your router, or let Apex Hosting handle it for a secure always online server. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.